Switching from e-filing to mailing your return on H&R Block. If you have already e-filed your tax return with H&R Block, but now prefer to mail by physical copy instead, then you are in the right place. Whether it's due to personal preference or change in circumstances, switching from e-filing to mailing your return is a straightforward process. So, firstly access the following link that says H&R Block Mail Taxes after e-filing. Once on the web page, read through the information provided to understand the process of switching from e-filing to mailing your tax returns. Determine if mailing your return is the right option for you and reasons for choosing your mail ID return. Review any specific instructions or guidelines provided for you to mailing your tax returns after e-filing. If you have already e-filed your return but haven't received any payment, then consider whether you need to include your payment in your mail return. Log into your H&R Block online account using your credentials and navigate to the section with H&R Block online account where you can access your tax returns or tax documents. If your return has successfully e-filed but you wish to switch to mailing a physical copy, then look for the option to unfile or retract your e-filed return. And once everything is set and done, follow the instructions provided on H&R Block website to ensure timely delivery to appropriate IRS address. And this was everything you needed to know about switching from e-filing to mailing. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.